Hey guys, if you've ever felt frustrated by the high cost of platforms like Vercel, Netlify, or Heroku, or if you want more control over your deployment, then this video is for you. Welcome back to Atarian News Channel. I'm your host, and today we are diving into something that's making waves in the developer community. By the end of this guide, you'll understand exactly what Dokploy is, why it's gaining so much attention, and how you can start using it today. So, what exactly is Dokploy? Think of it as your own personal Heroku or Vercel, but one that you actually own and control. Dokploy is an open source development platform that lets you host applications on your own servers, whether that's a VPS, a home server, or even multiple servers across different locations. The best part, it's completely free and open source. No monthly subscription fees, no per deployment charges, and no vendor lock-in. You pay only for your server costs, which typically runs between $5 to $20 per month for unlimited deployments. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about another deployment platform? Here's the thing. Traditional platforms can get expensive fast. Imagine you're a small startup or a freelance developer. With Vercel or Netlify, you can easily end up paying hundreds of dollars per month once your traffic grows. With Dokploy, you're looking at a fixed server cost regardless of how many applications you deploy or how much traffic you receive. Plus, you get features that even paid platforms don't offer, like AI powered deployments, which we'll talk about in a moment. Let's dive into what makes Dokploy special. First up, the user interface. Unlike command line tools like Dokploy gives you a beautiful web interface that's actually enjoyable to use. You can manage all your applications, databases, and deployments from one dashboard. Second, Docker Compose support. This is huge because it means you can deploy complex applications with multiple services, databases, caches, web servers, all defined in a single file. Many alternatives don't support this. Third, and this is where it really gets exciting, AI powered deployments. This feature launched in March 2025 is a game changer. Instead of writing Docker configurations manually, you can literally describe your application in plain English and Dokploy will generate the entire setup for you. Imagine saying, I want a Node.js app with a Postgres SQL database and Redis cache and having the entire configuration created automatically. Fourth, multi-server support. As your applications grow, you can spread them across multiple servers for better performance and reliability. This is enterprise level functionality that you are getting for free. Fifth, organizations and teams. The latest version supports multiple organizations so you can separate your personal projects from client work or manage different teams with different permissions. And finally, comprehensive Git integration. Whether you use GitHub, GitLab, Git, or even Bitbucket, Dokploy connects seamlessly with your repositories for automatic deployments. Dokploy has been incredibly active in 2025. They've released 3 major versions just this year, showing how committed the team is to rapid improvement. Version 0.19.0 in March brought organizations and AI powered deployments. Version 0.21.0 in March added Git provider support and backup capabilities for Dokploy itself. Version 0.22.0 in May introduced Docker Compose backups and scheduled tasks. And the latest version, 0.24.0 in July, added rollback functionality and Docker volume backups. This level of development activity is impressive and shows the platform is here to stay. When compared to other self-hosted solutions like Coolify, CapRover, or Doku, Dokploy consistently comes out on top in feature comparisons. It supports more Git providers, has better user management, includes built-in monitoring, and offers unique features like AI deployments and volume backups. Against cloud platforms like Vercel and Netlify, the trade-off is simple. You handle your own server management in exchange for complete control and significant cost savings. For many developers and small businesses, this is an easy choice. Dokploy is perfect for several types of users. If you're a freelance developer managing multiple client projects, the cost saving alone makes it worthwhile. If you're a startup watching every dollar, Dokploy lets you deploy unlimited applications for the cost of a single VPS. If you're a developer who likes having control over your infrastructure, or if you're concerned about vendor lock-in with cloud platforms, Dokploy gives you that freedom. It's also great for agencies managing multiple client environments, thanks to the organizations feature, and for anyone who wants to learn more about DevOps and server management without diving into complex Kubernetes setups. The community around Dokploy is growing rapidly. The project has reached over 17,500 stars in GitHub and has an active Discord community where you can get help and share experiences. The team is responsive to feedback and regularly incorporates user suggestions into new releases. Getting started with Dokploy is surprisingly straightforward. You'll need a VPS from providers like DigitalOcean, Linode, Hetzner, or Vultr. Any Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, or CentOS server will do. If you want to get started with Dokploy, Well, I've included a complete step-by-step installation guide in the description box below. So make sure to check that out after watching this video. Now let's be honest about the limitations. With Dokploy, you're responsible for server maintenance, security updates and backup. If you prefer a completely hands-off experience, managed platforms might be better for you. Also, you won't get the global CDN performance that platforms like Vercel and Netlify provide out of the box, though you can add services like Cloudflare for that functionality. In conclusion, Dokploy represents the future of deployment platforms, giving developers the power and flexibility they need without the recurring costs and vendor lock-in of traditional cloud platforms. With its AI-powered features, active development, and comprehensive feature set, it's becoming the go-to choice for developers who want control over their infrastructure without sacrificing ease of use. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Italian News channel for more developer tools and technology reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.